All right, so here we're supposed to choose the graph which models the following situation best, where x values represent time from 1995 to 2005, and it's going to be the number of days that passed since January 1st of 1995. All right, so January 1st, 1995, how many days have actually passed? Well, zero. So our first point should be zero. So right away, this seems like that might be a possibility. And then it should be going up and to the right. And so it is. And so this means this would be the one I would say is a key one. Now, this one, it's also going up and to the right, but at time zero, it's not showing a 0 point here. So that one is not here. This one's decreasing, so that's not here. And this is constant, so that one doesn't make sense. So the only one that makes sense here is the one that starts at 0 and is increasing from left to right. All right, here, find the midpoint of the line segment shown to the right. All right, so our midpoint, basically, we're going to take our x values. We're going to take 2 plus a -3, so that's going to be a -1, and divide by 2. And our y's, we're going from 2 to -3, so it's going to be 2 plus 3 -3 is -1 again, divided by 2. And so that should be the midpoint. And so minus a half, that would be about right there. That looks like it's a legitimate number for the midpoint. So again, we're just taking and adding the x values together and dividing by 2, adding the y values, dividing by 2, and that gives us a midpoint. What about here? Find the midpoint of the line segment whose endpoints are given here. All right, so again, we're going to do the same thing. So if we write it out this time, say -5 minus 1 divided by 2, comma, and then we have a -6 plus 9 over 2. What does that give us? -6 over 2, and then 3 over 2. Well, -6 over 2 is going to be what? A -3, and then 3 halves. Okay, so that would be our midpoint for this line segment. All right, here, so we have a graph of a linear function passing through here and here. We're supposed to find the formula for f of x, then determine f of 4. All right, so what do we know? We know in this case, this is going to be our b. All right, so we have b already. So that's that. Now we just have to find slope. So first, let's find slope. So that's going to be, how about we do minus 36 minus 4 over, then we have 8 minus 0. So that's going to be a minus 40 over 8. So that's going to be what? A minus 5. So now we get the function f of x equals a minus 5, which is our m, because remember it's mx plus b. So minus 5x, and our b is 4. And so that is going to be part A, first piece. So that's this. Now, what is f of 4? All right, so f of 4 is going to be a minus 5 times 4 plus 4. So it's going to be a minus 20 plus 4. So it's going to be what? A minus 16. So that's going to be f of 4. Now we're supposed to determine f of 4 by finding the midpoint of the line segment. Now, if you think about it, that's kind of halfway between that. So, we have 0, we have 8, the midpoint is going to be at 4. And so hopefully we're going to get something similar. And so we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to take 8 plus 0 divided by 2. And then we're going to take minus 36 plus 4 divided by 2. And so we get 8 divided by 2, so that's a 4. And here we get what? Minus 32 divided by 2, so that's going to be a minus 16. And lo and behold, 4 minus 16, 4 minus 16. So the answers are the same. So this is B, and C, the answers are the same. So that is one way to show that the midpoint in this case is the same thing as if you plug in the middle point between 0 and 8, it gives us minus 16. Okay, so you can do it, mathematically one way or the other way, and you get the same value. All right, let's stop there and we'll come back for some more.